robust structure and D-section loader arm. The JCB LiveLink, the advanced telematics solution, provides idle time monitoring, fuel level information, engine status and GPS tracking, which makes the 4DX ecoXcellence backhoe loader one of the most modern backhoes available in the marketplace. The 4DX ecoXcellence backhoe loader provides the best-in-class operating cost. It is highest in output and lowest in fuel consumption, with 7% more fuel savings and 30% more savings on maintenance cost. It's equipped with JCB ecoMax engine, optional 4-wheel drive. Phenomenal loader performance, state-of-the-art hydraulics, unmatched excavator performance, IP67 electricals, excellent ergonomics. Major specifications: maximum dig depth 5.36 meter, shovel capacity 1.2 cubic meter, maximum engine power 92 horsepower, equipped with turbocharged, water-cooled JCB ecoMax engine for better performance in hot and dusty working conditions. One-piece cabin base for excellent weather insulation, well-furnished interiors with roof lining, high-quality molded panels, cabin light, lockable toolbox, fully adjustable operator seat and plenty of legroom to reduce operator fatigue. Powerful 4-wheel drive, synchro mesh gearbox and electrical switch for on-the-move gear changing without slowing down, and excellent mobility on both rough and soft terrain. 1.2 cum loader bucket, unmatched traction and breakout forces on bucketage for cutting into the toughest terrain. Hydraulic pump flow 154 LPM at 2,350 revolutions per minute. Hydraulic pressure 3,300 psi. JCB Q brakes hydraulically actuated, oil immersed. Disc type, compensated. Equal turn, power steering, hydraulic supply from independent steering pump. Electrical 130 amp, 12 volts battery with 90 ampere alternator. Shipping weight 8,470 kilograms. Wheelbase 2.34 meter. Bucket size 0.40 pump. Dump height 2.93 meter. Load over height 3.37 meter. Dig depth 5.36 meter. Max working height 6.25 meter. Loader breakout force 5,000 kilograms force. Bucket tiered force 6,125 kilograms